Today we're bringing you a guide to growing abundant and healthy tomato plants. There's nothing quite like the taste of homegrown tomatoes. Whether you have a balcony, rooftop, or small backyard, these tips and tricks are for you. Let's dive into the world of tomatoes without further ado. The key to a successful tomato garden starts with selecting the right varieties. For urban gardens, consider dwarf or bush types that thrive in containers. Heirloom varieties are excellent for flavor, while hybrids can offer disease resistance. Remember, some tomatoes do better in certain climates than others, so pick varieties suited to your urban environment. Proper planting is crucial. Tomatoes love the sun, so choose a spot that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. When planting, bury 2/3 of the stem to encourage strong root growth. Mix eggshells into the planting hole to add calcium, preventing blossom end rot, and use coffee grounds to enrich the soil with nitrogen. Tomatoes need consistent watering. Aim for the base of the plant to keep the leaves dry and prevent diseases. A drip irrigation system or a simple DIY bottle drip feeder can ensure your tomatoes get the moisture they need without overwatering. As your plants grow, they'll need support. Use stakes, cages, or trellises to keep them upright. This not only helps with air circulation, but also makes harvesting easier. You can create your own supports using bamboo sticks, old brooms, or even upcycle items like ladder frames. Pests can be a challenge, but there are organic ways to keep them at bay. Plant marigolds around your tomatoes to deter nematodes and other pests. For aphids and mites, a spray made from diluted neem oil can be effective. Always inspect plants regularly for early signs of trouble. Feed your tomatoes with natural fertilizers. Composting kitchen scraps can create rich organic compost that tomatoes love. Banana peels are great for adding potassium, while crushed eggshells offer calcium. A balanced organic fertilizer can also promote healthy growth and fruit production. Pruning is essential for healthy tomatoes. Remove suckers and lower leaves to improve air circulation and direct the plant's energy to fruit production. This also helps reduce the risk of fungal diseases. When your tomatoes turn a vibrant, uniform color, they're ready to harvest. Pick them gently to avoid damaging the plant. With these tips, you're well on your way to a bountiful harvest.
There you have it, urban gardeners!
Armed with these tips and tricks, you're ready to grow abundant and healthy tomato plants. For more gardening guides and tips, subscribe to Urban Garden Republic. Share your tomato success stories in the comments below.
Happy gardening!